elevator at Academy Hall. Some tables in here. It's like folding tables. At PennWest Edinboro, Edinboro, Pennsylvania. Okay, the basement, it's an Otis 211 hydraulic elevator. There's no door close button. Kind of risky, it's like in the middle of offices. Here's the basement. Back up to 2, the fire cabinet is just like a handle with Velcro. That's very weird. It's a basic Otis cab. It's a small elevator. This is an old building. This was added. Lantern chime on the outside here. Back at 2. Get busted. That's the question. That's going to be it.